Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's start practicing questions, okay? Let's start number one. Convert 5 whole number 2/5 to decimal, okay? Round to the nearest tenth, right? Round to the nearest tenth. So even if you get this answer right, make sure you read the instructions. Remember, this tenth, run to the nearest tenth. Okay, let's start the question. 5 whole number 2/5. All you need to do is just let's look at the fraction first. Okay, the 2/5. Use a calculator. You divide it yourself. 2/5 will give you 0.4. Okay, so 0.4. So you add this whole number here, 5. So 5 plus 0.4 will give you what? 5.4. That's the answer. That's it. Yeah. And another way to solve mixed numbers to decimal, how to convert mixed numbers to a decimal. Either you use this method or you can use this other method. Like if example 5 whole number 2/5, you will just do multiply 5 times 5 plus 2 will give you what? 5 times 5 is 25 plus 2 will give you 27. 27 divided 5. It will still get to 5.4. That's the answer. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Okay, let's go to the next question. So, no, I changed this question. A class of... I changed the question, okay. Yeah, I think. Okay. A class of 55 students has 40% of boys. How many boys are there? A class of 55 students has 40% of boys. How many boys are there? Always remember, okay? Let me remind you once again. Please don't forget. Any day, anytime you see percentage, think of 100, 100, percentage, 100, okay? So, in this situation, they said 40% are boys, right? In a class of 55 students, right? 40% are boys. So, 40% means 40 divide 100, right? Yeah. 40 divide 100. So 100 percentage means 100, right? So 40 divide 100 will give you 0.40, right? Or 0.4. That's it. 40 divide 100 will give you 0.4. Okay? Now 0.4, you multiply, use that number, multiply the number of the class, total number of the class. Okay? The total number in the class. Okay, so that number multiply it with 55. So 0.4 times 55 will give you 22. So that's the answer. So out of 55 students, 22 are boys and the rest are girls. Yeah, that's it. That's how it works. Okay? Please don't forget. Percentage 100. Don't forget that, okay? Okay. So let's go to the next section. Okay, let's solve this. There are 48 students in a class. 6 out of 8 are females. What percent are females? You understand, right? 48 students in a class. 6 out of 8 are females. So what percent are females? So, and you really understand that 6 out of 8 means 6 over 8, right? Yeah. So, use a calculator. It will give you 6 over 8 will give you 0.75. Okay, right. So for you to convert it into percentage, remember what I said before, percent means 100, right? So you have to multiply 0.75. Okay, multiply it with 100. So 0.75 multiply with 100. So the answer is 75%. See, that's the answer. Okay, this is another one again. Ratio and proportion. This is under ratio and proportion. Okay, so for 6 is to 10 and 24 is to x. You know what that means? It means 6 over 10 equal to 24 over x. You know that. So you know that, right? Yeah, that's what it means. That's just what it means. You can start from there, like this. Six over 10 equal to 24 over x. All you have to do is cross multiply. 6 times x will give you 6x equal to 10 times 24 will give you 240. Okay, so you divide both sides with 6x. So 6x over 6x equal to 240 over 6x. I'm sorry, I don't know what is wrong with this pen. Okay, let me try to change it to see if it's gonna work out for me. Okay, so the 6x will go with the other 6x over 240 over 6x. So 6x will cancel the 6x under 240. Oh no, the pen is not writing. And the other 6 will divide will go with 240. So 240 divided 6 will give you 40, right? So the answer is x equal to 40. So the 6 under the 6x would go with 240, right? So the 240 divided 6 will give you 40. So leaving you with x equal to 40. That's how you get the answer. Okay, let me try to solve another one. Okay, for you guys, so you can understand better. So for this one, the answer is 40. You just learn how to set out your questions first. It's going to be easier for you. So let's go solve another one right now. As you can see this number right now, it means 3 over 7 equal to 12 over x. Alright? So let's set out our question first. 3 over 7 equal to 12 over x. You set it up first, it's going to be easy for you to solve the rest of it. So you cross multiply, okay? 3 multiply x and then 7 will multiply 12. So 3 times x will give you 3x equal to 7 times 12 will give you 84. So after this, you divide both sides with 3x. Alright? So 3x over 3x
equal to 84 over 3x. So 3x will cancel the 3x under 84, remember. And 84 will divide the other 3 to give you 84 divided 3 will give you 28. So leaving you with x equal to 28. That is the answer. That is how you get the answer. So as far as you know how to, first of all, when you see a question like this, you set out your question first. 3 over 7 equal to 12 over x. Then it's going to be easy for you to solve the rest of it. I really hope you understand. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, okay?
I just figured out that most of you are struggling with fractions, and it's really the simplest and easiest part of it. Okay, let me teach you how to solve fractions. Okay, let me just teach you how you can solve fractions. Okay, let's go. Just 5 minutes. Then later I will come back to the questions. Okay.